Apart from data entry, transcription jobs are one of the easiest jobs to do as a freelancer if you want to make money online. This model helps a lot of people to make money, but if you come to Ghana here or Africa here, it's very difficult to get such jobs because one, PayPal is not allowed, and secondly, if you go to some of these platforms and you sign up on some of the freelancing platforms, sometimes it takes a while or it takes a very long time before you can even get one job to do. And, so sometimes people give up on some of these platforms. In this video, if you're someone who is still interested in transcription but finding it difficult to get clients, I believe this method I'm coming to show you will definitely help you to make some cool money in transcription. Now, this is not a direct transcription, but this is something similar to transcription, and I believe this can help you to make some cool money even straight into your mobile money wallet. I believe this video is going to help you. Let's get started. So transcription is basically you putting an audio or a video into a text. So maybe you listen to an audio, then you put it into a text, or you watch a video, then you put that video into a text. So basically, that is what transcription is all about. Now, because transcription is one of the easiest jobs to do online, like a lot of people are interested in, signing up to most of the freelancing platforms as transcribers. And that is a big problem because a lot of people are signing up as transcribers and it's one of the easiest jobs to do. You won't get people you won't get customers to work for because they've already gotten people at the top already, and there are millions and millions of people across the world that are looking for these same transcription jobs. So if you sign up to some of these freelancing platforms for the transcription jobs, barely will you get one job to do. So, and that, you see, you can survive on that as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you a better way you can use your transcription skill to make some instant money whilst waiting to get customers on the freelancing platforms. As a transcriber, you are ready to work on any topic from conferences to preachings to business interviews and all that. You are ready for all this. But this time around, you have to choose just one topic. And this is just based on what I'm coming to show you. So now let's choose from topics like business, health, relationship. Let's add interviews as well. So once we are done, let's move on to YouTube and search for videos related to such a topic, or you can even go on some podcast platforms and search for audios that are related to these topics. So we are using YouTube as an example for now. So over here, if you come on YouTube, I'll choose relationship as a topic for now. So if you come here, you will realize that if you come to Ghana here, let me say, like one of the best relationship content creators is Jessica OS. So Jessica creates good contents on relationship, and you realize that most of her videos, she gives the points step by step. So I've been watching her videos a lot. If anytime I need some relationship tips, so I've been watching her videos and I've been watching a lot of tutorials from her. So these videos are all well researched. Like she did a lot of research before bringing out these videos. So the next thing to do is to tap on any of these videos. So let me say, they say better way to attract a woman. And, relationship topics too, there is demand for them all the time. So whether you are doing it as a video or audio or even a test, like there is demand for them all the time. So let's tap on this video. Oh. All right. So guys, so you can check this video. You will realize that this video is playing. Now that she's listing the points step by step, this is the opportunity for you who is interested as a freelancer, but you are not getting gigs yet. This is the time for you to take your pen or to take your laptop and start typing whatever she's saying. Type whatever she's saying until the video ends. If you know you can't type, you can use free tools like VIP. You can also use Express Scribe. So after writing, the next thing to do is to publish it on platforms like Scopa News, Oprah News, or Medium.com. If you publish it on any of these platforms, they are going to pay you directly into your mobile money wallet. So this is one way you can make money as a freelancer whilst waiting for the freelancing platforms to employ you. So I believe this video has been helpful to you. If you find it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos. And if you want to know more about how to publish this on Oprah News, Scopa News, Medium, and so on. I'll leave a video in the description below, and I believe that video can help you publish it over there. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video.